Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasra School online teaching system. Welcome to class 3 subject science. Today we are going to give you a revision about unit 2 types of living things, animals. As you know, we have done it in our previous lesson as well, the difference between living things and non-living things. There is a description about living things and non-living things. What is classification? The term classification, the systematic grouping of living things on the basis of similarities and differences are called classification. Living things can be classified into two different large groups, that is plant group and animal group. Moving forward, animal group can be put into more two big groups, that are vertebrates and invertebrates. Invertebrates are the animals do not have backbone and skeleton, are called invertebrates. For example, spiders, insects, crabs, butterfly. First, we are going to discuss or recall about echinoderms. All echinoderms have spiny skin, an internal skeleton, that is exoskeleton, a water vascular tube. They all live in ocean. Now, molluscus, animals with shells. Animals that have shells are called molluscus. A shell is a hard protective outer layer created by an animal that lives in the sea. For example, octopus, snail, etc. Worms have soft bodies. They do not have legs. They live on land and in water. Some live inside plants and the bodies of other animals. Their bodies may be round or flat. Examples of worms are earthworm, roundworm, flatworm, etc. Animals with joint legs. All these animals have many legs with several joints. Their bodies are divided into many parts. They have hard outer skin. A spider has 8 legs and no wing. Butterfly has 6 legs and 4 wings. Moving forward to insects. An insect has 3 main parts of its body. First, head, second, thorax, and the third one is abdomen. It has 2 compound eyes and 2 feelers on the head. It has mouth that can chew or suck food. The middle part of the insect's body is called the thorax, and the legs and wings join to it. The last part of the insect body is called the abdomen. It consists all the working parts of the body. Okay, here we have the label diagram of housefly. You can see the antenna, head, thorax, wings, legs and abdomen here easily. Now, vertebrates, the second big group of animals. Animals that have backbones are called vertebrate. For example, fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds and mammals. Fish breathe through gills. Fish have scales on their body. Fish lives in water. Fish swim with the help of their fins. Mammals, as we all are mammals, human beings. Mammals are organisms that give birth to young ones and have hairs on their bodies. They are also warm-blooded animals. Human beings, cat, dog, monkey, cow are the example of mammals. Now, birds, the most beautiful creature. A bird is a flying animal. Some birds are also flightless. They have beak, feathers and wings. They are warm-blooded animals. Reptiles are 4-legged vertebrate animal. Most reptiles lay eggs. The skin of reptile is covered with scales. Reptiles breathe with the aid of lungs. Amphibians that usually live on both water as well as on land. It is cold-blooded and has a backbone. Lay eggs in water. Young live in water, breathe through gills, while adults use lungs to breathe on land. Frog, toad are the example of amphibians. Now, we have 2 very interesting activities over here. Match these words. Okay, you can see the pictures of birds, mammals, fish here. You can easily match these. Now another activity, identify the vertebrates. You have to identify the vertebrates from these pictures. I know you all are very smart. You can do it very easily. Now, home assignment.